Welcome back to Little Monster Eats. I have another What I Eat in a Week episode here for you. So to start, as my normal, I do have my shopping list. These are the things that I'm planning on making, and then the grocery items that I needed to pick up at the store to make them. So let me show you guys what I have for this week. So for breakfast, I have two options. I have here some chia seed pudding that I made. And this one I decided to top off with some berries, but I made 4 of these using some milk, some maple syrup, some vanilla, some chia seeds, and then just the berries on top. Let it sit overnight, and I'm gonna top them off in the morning when I wake up. For another breakfast option, I have here these egg muffins. So for this one, I used some spinach. I have some cut up peppers. I used all 3 colors, red, yellow, and orange. And then I added some cheese, milk, and eggs, whisked that up. And I baked it in a little muffin tin. And then I got these little perfect size little muffin egg bites. So these are gonna be good. You can grab 2 or 3 of them each morning and they're ready to go. For lunch, I made some mac and cheese. I have a whole bunch of mac and cheese, and to pair that off, I have here some chicken wings that I baked as well. So these are some chicken wings. I have here set up some chicken wings and some mac and cheese. Eat it separate or eat it together, but that's gonna be a lunch option here. I also have another lunch option. This is a snack box. So I have these Wasa crisp, which are these crackers right here. I have 2 of them in here, but a regular serving size is actually 3. But to go with that, I decided to add in some brie cheese, and then I have like a little spatula thing to spread on. I have here some salami, some carrots, and in this little jar, I have some hummus to go with that. If I were to bring this to lunch, I'm gonna have that and then also a side of fruit. So I have here just a couple of berries, already washed up and cut up to go with it. If not the berries, then I might switch it up for some apple slices. But this is very versatile, so you can go with this. I have here a whole bunch of different lunch meat options, and then you can switch it up like I said. I have celery and carrots that I already have pre-cut, already in water in my containers, so they're nice and crispy and ready to go. So all of these can be switched out and made into one of these lunch boxes. So now moving on to dinner, I had made these ribs in the oven. So we have a couple left over here. This was a dinner option for us one day, and I just decided to make some extra. So that's always a great tip, to make extra of the dinner that you're eating. We actually just ate this tonight, so now I have a couple of ribs left, and I didn't actually meal prep this into separate containers. This gets a little messy for me to bring to work, but this is something that Dan can eat at home, so this can be like a little mix and match. So I have here some of the ribs. I also have some corn that I grilled, so he can eat that together. Along with that, I made some potato salad. So this is a potato salad. This is a German potato salad. So there's no mayo in here. It just has olive oil, some oregano, some red pepper, and some vinegar or lemon juice. So I went with lemon juice because I like the tartness a little bit more than vinegar. And that is all made up. So that can be eaten in combination with the ribs and the corn. And then the final dinner option I have here is I made carne asada. So I have here some carne asada, and then I grilled up some peppers, the same peppers I used for the breakfast egg muffins, just red, orange, and yellow peppers, and then some purple onion as well. And I grilled them up fajita style with some carne asada. So this one is gonna be a low carb option. You can just eat the meat and the vegetables on its own. This one is the same meat and vegetables, but then this is a side of red quinoa that I have set up here. Or you can go with this container here And then I have some extra corn tortillas that I can bring and then just kind of assemble little mini tacos at work using this container. So that is just a variety of what you could do with this meal. Last thing is really just snacks. So I basically just have some fruit that I already washed and prepped. I have here some berries and some grapes. So as you can see, you can just easily put that in a container like this that I had ready to go and just eat that as a fresh fruit side. Especially with these summer days, fruit is such a great option. It's going to get you some hydration that you need, the vitamins that you need as well, and berries have really great antioxidants too. So those are the options I have for this week. Again, this is a what I eat in a week episode, which I will have the grocery list and some of the recipes in the link below. And if this is something that you like to see, comment down below or like it. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see more. And thanks for watching. Have a monster-ific day. Bye.